That's an amazing question. My personal goals, of course, are about growing as an individual. I really want to push myself to the limits this year, and I really want to represent an example of success for all young people around the world. My professional goal also is to be able to spread the pure cryptocurrency usability concept all around the world, in all the countries, and to really be able to do, thanks to this business, the DAG Coin University, to make the people understand that really cryptocurrency is much more than speculation, than just some lines up and down, this kind of volatility. It's a concept that actually is all about usability, because cryptocurrency is the currency of the future that you need to be able to exchange with real products and services. So my goal of 2018, in a professional point of view, is to be able to spread at least to minimum, let's say, 100,000 people all around the world in my personal organization, this usability concept about the DAG Coin and the DAG Coin University. My personal goal is also to be able to help as much possible people to get educated about this concept, and I really want to be able to help minimum 10 people around the world, some 10 chosen people, to be able to earn at least 100,000 euros per month this year. Automatically, by helping them to earn this amount of money, I will totally change their life. They are going to help other people to earn at least 80 or 50,000 euros per month, and they also are going to change totally their life, and they are going to be much more other people, and they are going to pay it forward in different levels in their organization. And actually, I know for sure that 100 people in my organization will totally change their life in 2018, and this is going to make me very, very happy. This year, of course, I want to reach one of the highest levels in this company. I want really to be able to perform maybe not the crown ambassador, but maybe the crown diamond, or a serious level like that. And I, of course, need to help minimum 2 people to reach the level that is under this rank. I'm going to make it. We have the transparency in this company. We have the professionality in this company. We have the leadership in this company. We have the best compensation plan. We really have the technology, the dark chain technology. We have the strategy. So I really believe everything is possible, and it is going to happen in 2018. The most interesting thing that brought me to really look seriously at this concept, at this business, at this opportunity, is the leadership. But before the leadership was the technology. When you really look into the technology of dark chain, you really understand that this technology has a base structure that really allows you to make an unlimited number of transactions per second. And of course, when I got in contact with the cryptocurrency concept around almost 3 years ago, I was fascinated by the usability concept, by being able to have the phone, scan a QR code, and be able to buy real products with a cryptocurrency. But of course, outside there are only cryptocurrencies for the speculation. And when I really look into the dark chain technology and I understood the mathematics behind it, I really understood that the dark chain is the cryptocurrency that really helped us to build the most usable cryptocurrency around the world. The technology made me really become very excited. Of course, I got in touch with the technology because Mr. Kari Varros, which is our CNO, which is the Chief Network Officer, he's a very explosive leader which will help us to reach all our goals. And because of him, I've been able to meet our super duper and because of him, I've been able to get in contact with our CTO, Chief Technical Officer, Mr. Chris. I used to call him Thor because he's a really IT guy, And when he was explaining me about this business, about the strategy, I really had the impression that this guy is pure and clean like the water. His vision is really something that I was really dreaming about. And when I met him as a person, as a CTO, I really fall in love with him, let's say like that. I met also Mr. Niels. I appreciate really his serious leadership, so his pure and serious attitude in front of us. He treated us really like normal people, and also he recognized our value. So the second thing after the technology, the blockchain technology, was the leadership. The leadership is really in the corporate side and into the leadership side based on the network are amazing. They're just explosive because we really have top leaders from the industry, including the number one in income earner worldwide in business for home, Mr. Igor Alberts, which is my mentor. And of course, I follow my mentor. I know that wherever he's going to go is because we have a mission to change all people's lives. So, and the third, of course, the third aspect that made me really get excited about this business is the compensation plan. We have a very interesting and generous compensation plan because I really believe that for the people it's important the personal development, it's important the being able to have a lot of friends and socialize in our community, but the most important thing that are going to solve all their problems, at least almost of their problems, are the financial aspect, the money. And in this company, really, it's a very good opportunity because the people are able to make huge amounts of money that can help them to solve all their financial challenges. And after solving all their financial challenges, they are going to be able to look at the other aspects and solve and live the life of their dreams. When I've seen for the first time this project, I couldn't believe that was so much beautiful, so much transparent, so much true that was almost impossible to believe in it. Then of course, I got in touch with the concept the second time. We looked really seriously at the vision, at the ownership, at the compensation plan, and I really got excited. Of course, I'm a professional networker in the MLM industry, and I know when I am very excited about the opportunity, I like to work as much possible in as much short time to reach as much big production to be able to help as much people around the world in a short period of time to really rise their belief in this opportunity and rise for the occasion by having a high income already from the first month. Yes, this is the goal that I want to achieve. I want to hit as much short time one of the highest ranks so I can show the industry that miracles and magic is possible, so I can also attract new other people, new other leaders struggling in other companies or struggling in their own life, private life, all around the world, so they can find this opportunity and they can change their life in as much short period of time. That's it. My vision in a network point of view, when we are talking about handling my worldwide team that I'm building and that I'm going to build much more bigger in the upcoming months, is helping a lot of leaders coming from my previous company, but also coming from different companies, to be able to create big alliances between themselves and be able to put them together and to hit with big results in a short period of time the records in their own countries. We are going to be able to put different leaders from different companies in one country, different leaders from different companies in another country, and I'm going to make sure that they are going to be able to be very united, and all the leaders from each country all together, united with all the leaders from every continent. And of course, in the next month where we are going to make the worldwide event, I'm going to put all together as a family, the DAG university family, and I'm going to create one of the biggest legacies in network marketing. This is my goal. I want a team of big warriors that are protecting each other from all the attacks, that are going to work together for their own dreams. And I really like the philosophy, all for one and one for all. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to teach them to be united and to fight together, because together we are much more stronger, and together we can move mountains. Alone, we can't do that. I've been able to learn about this profession from the best one in the industry, Mr. Igor Alberts. And he has been able to learn the secrets of this profession, the networking profession, from one of the best leaders from the past, like Zig Ziglar, Anthony Robbins, Jim Rohn, Dale Carnegie, and Don Failla, and many other people. So by working with Igor, I've been able to learn about the values that a healthy, strong, and powerful organization, worldwide organization, network marketing, needs to have in his fundamental basics. And I really believe that I want to implement in my worldwide team some ethics code. I really want loyal, 100% loyal people that needs to believe in this project 1000%. They don't need to have other businesses. They don't need to look at other opportunities. I want loyalty. I want the people to be able to really help every single individual in their own team by connecting them with each other, so they will not fight against each other. They will not steal other people from other teams and put them in their own team. So I expect from my leaders ethics, respect. I expect from them to have a very ethical behavior in this organization, not doing weird things or things that people that are outside and looking at us can give us critics and can point the finger on our behavior. So I want loyalty, I want ethics, I want highest performance and full dedication in this business. And I really believe that because of Igor's help, our founders' help, this opportunity, Mr. Carivarros, assistance, let's say like that, from the beginning, when we start with these kind of concepts, we are going to be able to implement it step by step in our worldwide organization network. Yes, this is what I'm going to do. And out from that, when we are going to be able to implement all these values about high production, high ethic behavior, and also loyalty, we are going to maximize the compensation plan. We are going to be able to maximize the values and the personal development of all these leaders working with us. And this is going to help us to build a large organization and to make our image in front of the other people outside the most beautiful one. And this is going to make us able to attract all other people in this business and to make from this concept Doug Coin and Doug University the most honorable education company and the most honorable and ethic cryptocurrency in the world.